Today we're talking about torn up moons, sideways planets, and surprising organics hiding in plain sight. This is part 3 of our 6-part series on 25 weird solar system facts. If you haven't already, make sure to check out parts 1 and 2. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're loving this series. It helps us reach more stargazers like you. Organics, those carbon-based building blocks of life, aren't just an Earth exclusive. Scientists have found these complex molecules on comets, asteroids, and even in Titan's thick atmosphere. These molecules can be created by both living things and non-biological processes, acting like Lego pieces waiting for the right conditions to build something amazing. For instance, organics were discovered on the surface of Comet 67P, suggesting that these molecules could have played a role in jump-starting life on Earth. Additionally, organic molecules have been found on Mercury, Mars, and Saturn's moon Titan, where they contribute to its orange hue. Could life be more common than we think? Share your theories below. Next stop, Miranda, the moon that looks like it's been through a cosmic blender. With cliffs taller than Mount Everest and jumbled terrains, Miranda's surface suggests massive tectonic activity. This shadowy moon of Uranus was observed only once when Voyager 2 got a glimpse in 1986. Scientists think its bizarre appearance is due to gravitational interactions with Uranus, generating the push-pull action needed to heat, churn, and contort Miranda's surface. Normally, such dramatic features would result from volcanic action, but Miranda is much too small to generate that kind of heat on its own. To know for sure, we'll need to send another spacecraft to check out the moon's unobserved northern hemisphere. If you're into extreme landscapes, Miranda's got you covered. Comment below, what would you name a cliff taller than Everest? Here's a fun flex. Humanity has sent spacecraft to every planet in the solar system. From Voyager's grand tour to Perseverance exploring Mars, we're like cosmic tourists ticking off our bucket list. Over the past 60 years, we've captured close-up pictures of dozens of celestial objects, including all the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, as well as 2 dwarf planets, Pluto and Ceres. Most notably, the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 missions, launched over 4 decades ago, have visited Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, thanks to a rare alignment of the outer planets. And they're still transmitting data from interstellar space. Next up, maybe a mission to Uranus or Neptune. Where would you send a spacecraft next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Pluto might be small, but it's full of surprises, like its giant ice mountains. These peaks, made of solid water ice, rise up to 11,000 feet high, indicating that Pluto must have been geologically active as little as 100 million years ago. The kicker? Scientists don't fully understand the geological processes that form these peaks. When NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by in 2015, it sent back pictures that altered our view of Pluto forever. Initially assumed to be a uniform crater-pocked environment, Pluto turned out to have sharp ridges, craters, and other major disruptions on its surface. The source of energy driving this geological activity is a mystery, as the sun is too far away to generate enough heat, and there are no large planets nearby to cause such disruption with gravity. Pluto may be out in the cold, but it's definitely keeping things interesting. Uranus is the oddball of the solar system, spinning on its side at a 98-degree tilt. This makes its seasons truly bizarre. Imagine 42 years of sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Scientists think a massive collision long ago knocked Uranus sideways. While Uranus usually appears in classroom solar system models as a featureless blue ball, this gas giant is pretty weird on closer inspection. The planet rotates on its side, appearing to roll around the sun like a ball. Uranus's tilt causes what NASA considers the most extreme seasons in the solar system. For about a quarter of each Uranus year, the sun shines directly over the north or south pole of the planet, meaning for more than 2 decades on Earth, half of Uranus never sees the sun at all. Scientists monitor these extreme seasons and expected unusual weather around the 2007 equinox, but it was 7 years later that the atmosphere erupted into wild, unpredictable storms, making Uranus more of a puzzle than ever. Let us know your favorite Uranus fact in the comments, but keep it clean, people. From organics to sideways planets, our solar system is full of surprises. Stick around for part 4, where we'll tackle gigantic canyons and volcanic chaos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's next.